Today's story is a little personal. It's about a recipe passed down through generations, a story of friendship and, of course, delicious food. Years ago, I was at my friend Tiny's house for lunch. Now, Tiny wasn't a fantastic cook, but on this particular day, there was something extra special on the table. Jar of mustard, unlike any I'd ever tasted. It was rich and flavorful, with a perfect balance of sweetness and heat. Tiny explained it was the last of his mother's homemade mustard, a recipe passed down in his family. He was hesitant to share it, being the last jar, but his generosity won out. Touched by his gesture, I told him, "Get me the recipe, and I'll make you more." A few days later, Tiny came over with a handwritten recipe card that was a little worn and faded. It was Mrs. Eleanor Miller's mustard, and it was about to become a tradition for me too. I whipped up a batch, following Mrs. Miller's instructions. The aroma that filled the kitchen was incredible, and the taste even better. I brought it over to Tiny, and the look on his face was priceless. Sadly, Tiny is no longer with us, but his memory and his mother's incredible recipe live on. Today, I'm honored to share Mrs. Miller's mustard with all of you. It's a taste of home, a tribute to a wonderful friendship, and hopefully a delicious addition to your own meals. I hope you enjoyed learning about the story behind Mrs. Miller's mustard. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes and stories from my kitchen. Thanks for watching.